Egg-laying chicken accessories, from dummy eggs to nesting pads, can directly impact flock behavior, egg quality, and farm efficiency. This review evaluates 5 products across a price spectrum from budget to premium, focusing on build quality.
Product number 1, wooden eggs. Fake eggs, dummy eggs, nest eggs, help laying hen agricultural tool eggs for nesting box 6 PCS. Azatemgo's set of 6 wooden dummy eggs offers solid wood construction with smooth, fade-resistant finishes and a lifelike 5.5 centimeters by 4 centimeters profile designed to mimic real eggs. Priced at $7.79, this option sits in the budget tier and emphasizes durability and natural appearance, with claims of no odor and drop resistance. The set includes 6 pieces and notes potential color variation between photos and actual items. This makes it a straightforward tool for encouraging hens to lay in nest boxes or for decorative/educational uses. Performance-wise, the Azatemgo eggs provide a stable, non-toxic option for nest training and general coop aesthetics. Product number 2, Yunko 6 PCS wooden eggs, fake egg chicken coop accessories, Easter eggs for crafts, nest egg, brown for laying chickens. Yunko offers 6 brown wooden eggs of the same 6 centimeters by 4 centimeter size, priced at $6.99. The eggs are wood with a painted brown exterior to resemble real eggs, marketed for coop accessories and nesting box encouragement, as well as decorative uses. The kit's affordability and consistent sizing make it a practical choice for quick coop setup or seasonal decor, with a similar physical footprint to natural eggs. Performance-wise, Yunko's eggs provide a visually convincing proxy that can help guide hens to lay in preferred nesting areas. The wood construction reduces breakage risk compared to ceramic alternatives. Product number 3, Easton Pet and Pasture delivers a premium nesting pad solution using 100% sustainably harvested Aspen Excelsior, priced at $27.99 for a 10-pack of 13 by 13-inch pads. The copy emphasizes eco-friendly materials, hand-packed packaging, and moisture-wicking properties designed to reduce egg breakage and maintain a clean, dry nesting environment. This product targets flock health and egg integrity, with a focus on user-friendly egg collection and overall coop cleanliness. Performance-wise, these nesting pads aim to elevate laying conditions by providing a soft, absorbent surface that draws moisture away from eggs, potentially reducing egg yolk or shell degradation in humid or damp coops. The use of craft paper backing and aspen fibers can improve moisture management and odor control. Product number 4, Azatemgo wooden egg, fake egg, hen's eggs, dummy eggs, help laying hen, agricultural tool, poultry mannequin, nest eggs, 8 PCs. This Azatemgo variant provides 8 wooden eggs at $8.49. Maintaining the same dimensions, approximately 5.5 centimeters times 4 centimeters, and solid wood construction as the 6-piece version, with a slightly higher piece count for a small incremental price increase. It emphasizes durability, lifelike shape, and similar multi-use capabilities for nesting and decorative purposes. The packaging indicates color variation may occur, with a focus on after-sales support. Performance-wise, the 8-piece set expands coverage for larger nests or multi-nest setups, offering a consistent queue across several boxes. The slightly heavier total weight. Product number 5, Plush Chicken Laying Eggs Toy, electrically activated educational toy, priced at $26.99. It includes a hen and 3 eggs that emerge with sound and motion when activated, designed for children aged 6 months and up. The product blends entertainment with the light educational angle about chickens and egg laying, offering a tangible, interactive experience rather than a practical coop tool. Performance-wise, the toy excels as a kid-friendly demonstration of egg-laying mechanics and animal behavior, potentially aiding early education about farm life. However, it does not serve any direct function in the live coop or egg handling workflow.